Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and through this video I would like to show you the way how to import the videos into the CapCut easily and fast. So the first thing that you have to do is just go open your CapCut application, and to import a video you just need to start a new project. By click this new project button, you will have an options to import the videos that you have on your gallery. So you just need to choose which video that you want to add into your project. So let's say you want to have a randomly click this part and you want to do this too, and then now you just need to go click add, and now you already have this video into your project. To import more video into this project, you just need to go click this plus button right here, and you will be having access into your gallery again, and you can just choose the video that you want to import into the project. And after you found one, go click add, and now you already have the video on your project. So that is the way, guys, how to import a video on a CapCut. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.